You know, for whatever you do in this life, it's always good to give back. I mean, something humanitarian. You may not have it all, but always try to give back. And of course, for some of our artists, our big entertainers, there are many people around who actually need help. For many of our friends and brothers who have traveled out of the country and have excelled in their chosen endeavors, a couple of them have come back to give back to the society. One of these Nigerians, proudly Nigerian, is the founder of the When in Need Foundation and also the founder of K Medicare. I'm talking about Dr. Dame Chetachi Acton. She came back to the country. She's been doing a whole lot of humanitarian activities, from agriculture to medical. The recent one she's just done is distribution of infant meal and formulas to babies, nursing mothers, and little children. It was very beautiful to see the smiles on the faces. All right, we put this together and thought you may want to have a look at it.
Philanthropists across the globe have played a key role in supporting government's efforts towards nations' growth and citizens' welfare over the years. One of these personalities is High Chief Dr. Chetachi Acton. Her intervention in Nigeria through the When in Need Foundation started in 2018 with several medical missions to rural areas, agricultural development projects, infant and maternal care, and educational programs.
Hi. Hello. I hope you got double portion, right?
To further emphasize her humanitarian strides, Dr. Chetachi embarked on the distribution of infant meals and wellness products to mothers and babies in the FCT. According to the initiator, the free distribution of infant meals and wellness products is geared towards making sure children do not go hungry and are well nourished.
Currently in Nigeria right now, a lot of people are starving. I have done a lot for families and adults. And when you look at the children are also starving. So today is only for the children, the infants. And I want to give them just not only baby formulas, I also want to give them what is called Ensure. And Ensure is a supplementary, food. So if it's a child that the parents cannot afford 2 square meals or 3 square meals, that Ensure will serve as a meal. Or 2 cans of the Ensure can serve as 2 meals for that child. There's a lot of, children that are malnourished. And looking at them, it doesn't suit my mission and my soul. So that's why we're here today. We're here for the children, for the infants, for the babies today.
Some of the beneficiaries of this product expressed their excitement and thanked the initiator for this gesture.
I really feel excited. It's a good thing. Humans like us doing something for fellow humans is very good. And children will be appreciating this. By the time they are grown up, we'll tell them that this is what we received from so-so place. From K Medicare Hospital. They'll be happy too that they are part of this. I am happy that I'm part of this today. I'll say may God continue to replenish their pockets. May they continue to do good deeds like this. May they continue to be happy and have more money to do things like this.
I'm very excited, and may God bless Mommy, and may God provide for her more and more. May God bless her more and provide for her to be taking care of the ones that they didn't have.
With the When in Need Foundation now in 29 states in Nigeria, Dr. Acton has promised to extend her frontiers to other states with the hope that more people will benefit from her benevolent acts.
All right, I'm happy for the beneficiaries and of course for Dr. Chetachi Acton. I say thank you very much for doing this generous act. If you're just joining us, the program is Your Week.